Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to talk about my simple daily routine. This video is perfect for beginners who want to learn easy English sentences for everyday life. So, let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch and take a deep breath. Then, I get out of bed and wash my face. After that, I brush my teeth. Every morning, I drink a glass of water to feel fresh. Next, I make my breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, or fruit. While I eat, I listen to music or watch a short video. After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare for my day. Around 9 a.m., I start my work or study. I usually check my emails, plan my tasks, and write down my goals. During the morning, I take a short break every hour. Sometimes I walk a little or I get some water to stay focused. At around 1 p.m., I have lunch. I like to eat something simple, like rice, chicken, or a salad. After lunch, I usually relax for a few minutes. Sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I watch a short video. Then, I continue my work or studies. In the afternoon, I try to stay productive. But I also take breaks when I feel tired. In the evening, around 6 p.m., I finish my main tasks. I like to go for a walk or exercise for a few minutes. It helps me feel fresh and healthy. After that, I take a shower and relax. I usually spend time with my family, watch a movie, or learn something new. Before dinner, I sometimes review my English or practice speaking. At around 8 or 9 p.m., I have dinner. After dinner, I try to avoid using my phone too much. Before I sleep, I prepare for the next day. I check my schedule and set my alarm. Finally, I go to bed around 11 p.m. A good night's sleep helps me stay strong and motivated. And that's my simple daily routine. I hope this helped you learn new English vocabulary and sentences. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.